Hello Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. I welcome you all to my channel. This is your bonus love messages part 2. Okay, because I have divided this bonus messages part into 2 videos so that I can deliver all the messages which are important for you. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Okay, I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can check your sunshine. And it is the general bonus messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. And thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel, for giving beautiful messages, for sharing your experiences. I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. Okay, so let's start your bonus love messages. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages which are important to deliver? Give me the messages. There is a peace which is coming for you, and that was the message in other decks too, that there is a peace which is coming for you. Peace is coming for you, Aquarius. And there will be a balance in your life. Okay, there will be a balance in your life, and lots of adventures are coming for you now. If you are having any kind of burdens or any kind of past hurts, you have to release it. There is a message of release. So release any past hurts, anything which you are carrying on your shoulders right now, because you're getting more power than before. There is power message. You're getting more powerful than before, getting more strong than before. You're getting your higher self. And there is a reflection message. Maybe you are reflecting something on you. There is some kind of reflection which is going on. This is the message who are in a twin flame journey. Maybe your soulmate is, your twin flame is reflecting some kind of thing which you need to release. There is a reflection message here. There is a guardian angel which is there, which is helping you out. Okay, you are not alone. This connection is taken care by guardian angel, by the divine. And there is a guardian angel who is looking towards this relationship, towards you. Beautiful. You are not alone, Aquarius. Don't think that you are alone. See, dreams. Bottom of the deck I'm having dreams. Then there is kindred spirit. Kindred spirit, kindred spirits. Okay, there is angel, guardian angel. Beautiful messages. You are blessed with so many things, Aquarius. There are some kind of dreams which you are maybe experiencing right now. So please have a look on your dreams. Okay, please clearly think that whatever you are having dreams, just maybe there is a message in your dreams. Okay, it just fell out again. So dreams is the message for you. Maybe there are some dreams which you are having these days, so maybe there is a message for you. Any other message? Thought. And there is bottom of the deck I'm having love. Maybe you are thinking about love and the love is coming. Yes, that's your intention. Intention is there, and your intention is to receive love. You want love in your life. You're thinking about love and you are receiving it. Thank you so much, Vintage Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Moonology deck. What are the messages for my lovely deck, for my lovely Aquarius, not my deck. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages? Let me see all the messages first. Then I'm going to tell you what are your messages. But new beginning is coming, a new start is coming, Aquarius. It's time to release any negativity, anything which you are carrying on. Have faith in your dreams. You need to step out of your comfort zone. Luck is on your side. A fairy climax approaches. Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Okay. Okay, so the first message for you is you need to have faith in your dreams, Aquarius, and step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your comfort zone and have faith in your dreams, okay? Because you are very close to achieving your goal. You are very close to achieve your goal. You are very close to achieving your goal, okay? Right now you just need to balance spirituality and practicality, and this is a time to take breathe out, okay? Just meditate, just balance your spirituality and practicality. Full moon and Pisces, and right now you have to spend some more time into the nature, okay? Spend some time, take time to breathe out, okay? Relax, because a new start is coming towards you, and the luck is on your side, Aquarius. Full new moon in Sagittarius, luck is on your side, a new start is coming for you, okay? There is a fairy climax approaches. Full moon in Aries, and there is a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer, there is something in which there is an ending, a climax is happening, and there is something in which there is a solution which is coming, okay? There is a resolution, a personal issue is getting solved for you. Your commitment is being tested, okay? And surrender to the divine. You just have to trust yourself and just surrender to the divine. Divine timing is very important. Everything will happen according to the divine, okay? According to the divine timing, you just need to surrender to the divine. Then there is be bold and make the first move and show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius, you need to be bold, Aquarius, and make the first move. There is something around you in which you have to make a first move and show what is real, Aquarius, okay? This is you. Show the world real you, okay? Full moon in Aquarius is there, and there is energy is gaining momentum, and this is a time for healing. Some of you, Aquarius, this is the time where you are requiring healing. In this time you need healing, okay? So this is the time for healing, and the energy is gaining momentum, okay? Whatever it is going to accelerate it, okay? Because you're doing your spirituality and your practicality, you are doing your inner work, okay? So your hard works are going to pay off. That's the message I'm getting for you. And the signs which you can be dealing with are Pisces, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Aries, and Cancer. These can be signs which you can be dealing with. Cancer, Aries, Sagittarius, Aquarius, and Pisces, okay? These can be signs which can be there in your life, which you can be dealing with. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Guide. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Take the lead, okay? Be bold and take the first move. What are the messages? Let Spirit be your guide. Okay, 1001 was the recording reading time. Let's see what are the messages What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? See, I was looking this message while shuffling too. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Any other message? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Turtle Spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. That's right. Okay. See, Stag Spirit has come. Take the lead. Let me adjust my cards. Then I'm going to tell you. Okay, so the first message for you is Chameleon Spirit. Act as if. Okay, act as if is the message for you. Then there is a message of Lizard Spirit. Dream the world into being. You have to dream the world into being. Okay. Then there is a Turkey Spirit. Give with gratitude and grace. Give with gratitude and grace. There is a Panther Spirit. Reclaim your power, Aquarius. Okay, you need to reclaim your power. Then there is Canary Spirit. Sing your own song. You need to sing your own song. There is a Whale Spirit. Trust the great mystery. Okay, trust the great mystery. There is an Outer Spirit. You are never alone, and that's right, you are never alone, Aquarius. There is a guardian angel who is supporting you. There is a divine. There is universe. There is everyone around you. You are not alone. Okay. Then there is Lion Spirit. Be generous of a spirit. There is a message from the Stag Spirit. Take the lead. Okay, you need to take the lead. Be fearless and bold. Bagger Spirit. Okay, you need to take a lead, be fearless, be bold, Aquarius. Then there is a Bee Spirit. Sweet results await. Okay, there are sweet results which are coming. Then there is Beaver Spirit. Lay a solid foundation. Okay, lay a solid foundation. Then there is Giraffe Spirit. See the bigger picture. You need to see the bigger picture right now. Okay, see the bigger picture. Then there is Fox Spirit. Think on your feet. Okay, think on your feet. There is Horse Spirit. Freedom is yours, Aquarius. Freedom is yours. Okay. Then there is Dog Spirit. Be loyal to what you love. Beautiful message from Dog Spirit. Be loyal to what you love. Thank you so much, Animal Spirits message guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the numerology deck. There is a completion which I am seeing. There is a spiritual career which I am getting the message. There is an environment, spirituality. Okay, let me see. What are the messages? I am not going to take it. It just fell out. Spiritual partnership, healing, rebirth and compassion. Okay. What are the messages? Domestic harmony, financial discipline. Any other message? nature. Any other message? Abundance. Lot of green color I am looking right now I'm getting. Spiritual career has come again. Any other message? Leadership and creativity. Any other message? Effort. Any other message for Aquarius? Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having love partnership. Okay. So use your intuition, Aquarius. You're getting more intuitive than before. Use your intuitions. Okay. There is a relationship change. Okay. Relationship change is coming for you. Then there is perseverance and... Wait 1 minute. I do not need to get... Okay. There is perseverance and there is financial discipline which is coming for you. And there is domestic harmony which is also coming for you. Okay, there is financial discipline, there is domestic harmony which are coming for you, Aquarius. Spend some time into nature. Nature is there. Okay, and there is abundance message. So abundance of everything you are going to receive it now. There is a spiritual career. Okay, there is a spiritual career here which I am getting for you. Then use your creativity. Effort is there. You need to make efforts, Aquarius. Effort card is there. Use your creativity. Okay, use your quality of leadership. Leadership message is there. You are born leaders. If you do not know that, I'm going to tell you. Self love is indicated, so love yourself first other than anyone else. Okay, there is a physical activity. There is a physical activity message, so you have to do more physical activity. Okay, listen to the music. Maybe there is a message in music there, and music plays an important part into healing. Music does healing, Aquarius, so listen to the music. Then there is teaching and loving. Some of you can start a spiritual career. You can teach. You are into a career of teaching and learning. Maybe you're already teaching and you are doing your learnings. And there are new beginnings in love. Love is coming your way and there is a new beginning. There is a relationship change here. And the bottom of the deck I was having love partnership. Love and love partnership both are here. So love partnership is here. There is a new beginning in love which is coming your way. So the numbers which can be important for you are 6 and 8. 6 and 8 can be an important number for you, Aquarius. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Yeah, right. 6 and 8 can be an important number for you. Okay, so thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from this deck. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Commitment is coming for you. Okay, there is a relationship. You need to forgive yourself and forgive others who hurt you. Forgiveness is there. There is a transformation period which is going on right now. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. There is a well-being and there is a talent. Use your talents, Aquarius. You are full of talents. I every time told you this. Okay. Again, the dream is there. There are some messages. See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having spirit guide. Your spirit guide is guiding you through dreams. So please carefully see, remember your dreams. Maybe there is a message into dreams. Okay. happiness is coming towards you, Aquarius. And there is a closure of old cycles. Closure is there at the bottom of the deck. So you are getting a closure of old things, old chapters, old relationships, and you are getting happiness in your life. Okay. Any other message? Wow. You're getting blessings, Aquarius. There is a compassion message here, and there is a commitment. See again, commitment. You're getting the blessings of commitment, and compassion is here. Beautiful. Thank you for giving this message for lovely Aquarius. Can you get, is there any other message? Any other message? Freedom. Freedom is there. You getting more beautiful than before. Beauty card is there, Aquarius, for you, and the love is coming for you. Okay, you are manifesting. Manifestation. Home is there. You're manifesting happily ever after. You're manifesting home, and you are receiving it. You're getting some kind of clarity. After that, you will find your peace. You're getting your peace with you after some kind of clarity. Okay, any other message? Again, the closure has there. You're getting some kind of closure, and you need to keep your courage with you. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? No. Okay. You're getting your clarity, and after that clarity, Aquarius, you will find peace. Okay, there is a closure which is coming for you, and after that closure you will be requiring healing, and that closure will give you healing maybe. Okay, for some of you, Aquarius, that after this closure you will receive your healing. 2255 was the recording reading time. Because of this closure you will receive your healing, and you need to keep your courage with you, because prosperity is coming for you, and you're getting more psychic abilities develop in you. Your third eye is getting more open up than before. You're getting your prosperity. You need to keep your courage with yourself. Okay, so these are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from self-care card. Self-care is very much important, Aquarius. Love yourself first. Then only you can love any other one. If you don't love yourself, no one else is going to love you. I do not know why I'm saying this, but I think this is an important message for some of you. Someone who is requiring to listen this. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? There is an independence, there is a freedom. Again, the dream card has come for you, Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. So, The first card for you is trust. Trust your decisions, Aquarius. March to the beat of your own heart. You need to trust your decisions. Maybe you are not trusting your own decisions, so you have to trust your own decision. Okay. Then there is a reflect. Keep your eyes open. Joy lives in small lives. Okay, small places, small lives. So keep your eyes open, Aquarius. Okay, then there is rest and relax. Release guilt and make your needs a top priority. If you're carrying any guilt, Aquarius, release it, because you are not guilty. Okay, release any guilt, release any burdens, whatever you are carrying on, and make your needs a top priority. Okay, so rest and rejuvenate yourself, rest and relax. Then there is a time. Schedule a scare date with yourself. You deserve time for your life. So you are requiring time for yourself, Aquarius. So date yourself, I can say that. Okay, schedule a scare date for with yourself. Okay, you deserve time for your life. Live yourself first, Aquarius. Then there is achievement. Chase your dreams. You may be surprised by where they lead you. Okay, there is an achievement which is coming by chasing your dreams. So chase your dreams, Aquarius. Then there is independence. Decide for yourself. Exercise your right to choose. You have a right to choose, Aquarius, and that's your independence. No one can take that independence, that's right, from you. Okay, so choose for yourself. You have a right to choose. Then there are priorities. Get your priorities straight. When you know what's important, saying no gets much easier. Okay. Then there is a dream card here again. Think big. There are unseen forces ready to support your dreams. Okay, so there are some dreams which you are thinking of or doing. You are having a support from the divine, from your divine, from the universe, from the guardian angel. You are supported, Aquarius. There are unseen forces which are ready to support your dreams. Okay, so think big. Then there is power. Own your power. Every storm brings up fresh new beginnings. Okay, so getting more powerful than before. Think like that. And there is action. Take action. The journey to find your lost self begins with one step. Okay, some of you are being in the energy of lost, or you do not know what to do next. So you have to take one step so that you can find yourself back. Thank you so much, self-care card, for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. Trust your intuition. That was the message which I was getting for you. Let's see what are the messages from the guides. Please help me out, guys, to give the beautiful messages. What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages? Is there any other message? Okay. Is there any other message? Any other message? Any other message? Abundance is your right. Okay, abundance is your right is the message from your divine, from your guides. Okay, from your divine, I can say here. Okay, so accept struggles as lessons. That's right, you need to accept struggles as your lessons and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. And let go of ego. Let go of your ego. Follow the golden rule. And what's the golden rule? That whatever you are doing right now, whatever you are sending, the frequency, the vibes, the karma in the universe, that will come back to you. Okay, so follow the golden rule, do the good always. There is a journey within yourself. Okay, you are here for a reason. That's right, God never make anything waste. Okay, useless. You are here because you are have a reason here. Okay, you are very useful, you are not useless, you are very useful. So God had made you because you are unique, you are special, you are here for a reason. Worry is a wasted emotion. Okay, do not replenish your power, Aquarius. Do not replenish your power. Okay, trust your intuitions. You need to trust your intuitions. Have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you so much, God, for giving the beautiful things which I'm having right now every day, because not everyone gets that whatever you are having today in your life. Stay open minded. Then there is like attracts like. Make each day count and practice moderation. Okay, try to eat healthy, Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? What they want to tell you? What are the messages? Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Is there any other message? No. Okay. You are destined for greatness on the wings of love, Aquarius. If you do not know this, I'm going to tell you that you are destined for greatness of wings of love. That's the message from the universe. Okay, beautiful messages I'm having right now today from the universe too. Those who love you. Okay, those who love you is the message from the universe. You glow with being. That's right, if you take a one step in a forward direction, universe will also move with you and help you out to take two more steps in a forward direction. So you glow and we being is the message from the universe. Then there is a message that create space for new love, Aquarius. New love is there, so there is, you need to make a room for new love. So create space for a new love. You have got time. Okay, you have got time. Then there is forgive. Forgive those who hurt you. Forgive yourself too, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Okay, forgive is a message from the universe. Time for a love feast. Beautiful. Earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuffs coming your way. Wow, Aquarius, great stuffs are coming for you. Whatever was happened, that's why I told you there is a broken heart and there was a contract. That means that that broken heart was your contract, that was to make you more strong. And whatever is happening in your life, whatever earlier disappointments were there in your life, that was there before, that was just a rehearsal so that you can get ready for the great stuff which are coming for you. That's the message from the universe. Start where you are. You have more options than you realize, Aquarius. That's the message from the universe. You have more options than you realize. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love your messages. Thank you. Thank you. Let's add one message from the oracles of fairy and I will close your reading. Okay, so let's see what is the message for my lovely Aquarius. And I got two messages. Okay. Lost and found and pure intention. What was once lost is about to found. Thanks to the lost and found fairy, sometimes she can help us find things we never even realized were lost. So whatever was lost from you, Aquarius, you are going to find it out again. Thanks to lost and found fairy, she is going to help you out. She is there to help you to find out whatever was lost from you. Okay. Then there is a pure intention. The fairy of manifestation will help you to use your wishes wisely. Manifest your heart desires with pure intention and the for highest good for all. So keep your intention, Aquarius, while manifesting, while doing manifestation, so that your manifestation can happen. Okay, so that's the message from fairy of oracles. So these are the bonus messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to each Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. One more time I'm saying that. See you soon.